first way is apply some WD-40, and this will help get rid of the rust and all the dust, so it can help squeeze it in, so the key can go in and it's able to slide in. The second way can be using some oil on the key. This can help make the oil more slidey, so all the built-in rust can help go in and it will be easier to slide. So apply it on your key and then apply some in there. Another option we can use is try using WD-40. Some locks are different from the home lock that we showed, but here we can use some WD-40, and as you see, it's not working here. So apply some of this WD-40 and it should get to work. And some of this oil that can also help. This oil, you can use engine oil, airtel oil, but not cooking oil. That will not work. So apply some, just as much as you needed. As you see, there's rust and there's been applied, and let it sit there for a little while. I say 30 seconds. After doing that, you should always want to apply some oil on your key. Maybe this can help get the momentum of the WD-40 and the oil together, which makes it nice and smooth and easy for you to turn. Try placing it in, and try gliding it a few times to get that oil in there, and then it should turn on. Fine. So right now I'm in my car. Optimally, any car should work, but right now I'm in my car, and you see that the key is not working and it's pretty much jammed in there. So the first option rule you can do is try turning the steering wheel a couple times. So you should try turning it. So as right now I'm trying to turn it. The next option is that you can use a hammer to actually fix the rust. So what you can do is first place your key in, and then try applying the hammer on it a few times, maybe 4 to 3 times. You can find this hammer anywhere, from Dollarama or anywhere. It's easy. You don't need heavy duty ones. It started working and the engine is on. And I forgot to mention this, you don't need to really take out your whole lock cylinder in order to make it. You can just try these options, and maybe if none of them work, you can try it at the end. Option is that you can use a flat washer or any type of washer and place it in the key and then put it in your lock, and then you can also try hammering it with that, and then maybe give it a few tries just like you did last time, and then try to turn it on, and then as you see, it turned on. Yep, there it is. The next option you can do is maybe get a new key or make one. So you see here, this was my old key, and I was using it for many years and the pattern was getting lost. So I had to make a new one from a key maker, and the pattern actually got back, so my car will actually turn on and the ignition will work.